ये मार्कर का किधर है? ये बिल्कुल एंड हुआ हुआ है. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about chapter number 7, and we will start today chapter number 7 of class 9 mathematics. That is linear equations and inequalities. First of all, our topic is linear equation. But first, we need to know that what is an equation. This thing. You have already done, I think, within your previous classes, that what is an equation. Equation is an expression which contains an equality sign, this sign. An expression which contains this equality sign, it is called an equation. But an expression which did not contain this equality sign, it is simply called only an expression. For example, if 2x plus 3, if I am going to write this expression doesn't contain any equality sign. So this is not an equation, this is only an expression. This is an expression, but if I'm going to write here is equal to any number like 2. So this expression contains an equality sign. So this is an equation. Or if x square plus 3x plus 9. This is only an expression, but this is not an equation. This is not an equation, but if we are going to put equality sign in it, and after that any other constant number or any other variable even. So this expression contains an equality sign. This is referred to as an equation. So what is an equation? An expression which contains an equality sign. So this is equation. There are many types of equations. In class 10, first chapter, we will we need to know that what is linear equation. So linear equation is an equation which contains any unknown variable or variable simple whose power is 1. An expression which contains any variable whose maximum power is only 1, not more than 1. So this equation type is called the linear equation. Its general form is of linear equation that is ax b. First of all, you need to know that is this an equation or not. I hope you will got this. This expression contains the equality sign. So this is an equation first. But now we need to know that which type of equation it is. You need to find any variable. So this x is variable here, this b and this a is not variable. This x is variable and x power is only 1. So x power is 1. We don't need to write here 1 because we know that its power is 1. So an equation which contains any variable whose power is 1, this equation is called linear equation. So this is only the general form. If I'm going to write any other example like 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, we need to find any variable. The variable here is x maximum power is 1 and it is an equation. So this is linear equation, or there is no compulsion about that variable is fixed about x. We can write it as 5y plus 7 is equal to 9. The variable here is y and y maximum power is 1 and it is an equation. So this is also the linear equation. So now we are going to solve that. What are linear equations and how to solve them? To solve an equation means find that variable value. Our exercise 7.1, that is solve the equations. The first part is 2 over 3x minus 1 over 2x is equal to x plus 1 over 6. Okay. First of all, it is an equation because it contains the equality sign in it. And after that, variable maximum power is 1, variable maximum power is 1, variable maximum power is 1. So it is the linear equation. And after that, we need to solve it. Remember one thing, solve an equation totally means find the value of that variable. So variable here is x. We need to find only and only this value of x and that's it. Okay. To find the value of that variable, we need to collect all the values relevant to that variable, or we can say that we can collect all the values of x equality and other values, and this also belongs to x. So we need to collect these all values of x on one side. So this is 2 over 3, x minus 1 over 2x. This x is positive, and after moving, its sign must be changed. Minus x is equal to 1 over 3. Now see that all the values relevant to x are on the left hand side, and all the values which are not relevant to that x that are on right hand side. Constants are on right hand side. So now we need to take the LCM here, or if you want to take this x common, okay, you can take this x common. After taking this x is outside here and 1 will be here is equal to 1 over 6. Now we need to solve this x. And now we need to take the LCM of 3, 2 and this one. 3 2s are 6. LCM must be 6. 3, 6 divided by that 3, answer is 2. So 2 multiplied by this 2, numerator, 2 2s are 4, so 4 will be here. After that, negative sign. Now this term, 6 divided by 2, answer is 3. This answer should be multiplied by its numerator. 3 1s are 3, so 3 will be here. After that, minus sign. Minus. Beneath this 1, nothing is here, so it means 1 is here. So 6 divided by 1, answer is 6. So that answer must be multiplied by its numerator. 6 ones are 6. So 6 will be here. Now solve it. X 4 minus 3 answer is 1. 1 minus 6 answer is minus 5. Divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 6. Now some of the students will do that this 5 over 6 sign is negative, and we can shift this minus 5 by 6 on the other side of equality, and its sign must be positive. This is not true, because this minus 5 over 6 is not subtracting to this x. This is going to multiply by x. So we can say that this 6 is divided and will be multiplied there, or you can cancel direct this 6 by this 6. Okay, this 6 is going to multiply there. So x multiplied by minus 5 is equal to 6 divided by 6. You can cancel this 6 by this 6 directly, or you can cancel here this 6 by this 6. So answer will be 1 here. X multiplied by minus 5 is equal to 1. Now we need to find only this value of x. So minus 5 is multiplying and we're going to divide on the other side. Again, this minus 5 is not subtracting to this x. This will be divide to the other side. So x is equal to minus 1 over 5. And that's it. This was the first part. Now for second part, again to do the same thing. Second part is again, this is an equation. You need to solve this equation. Means that you need to find the value of x. Okay. First step is move all the values relevant to x on the left hand side and remaining values constants on the right hand side. So all the values relevant to x are here and the constants are already there. So now you need to take the LCM of it. 3 and 2 LCM is 6. Now first of all, it's done. 6 divided by 3, answer is 2. 2 multiplied by x minus 3 will be here. After that, this negative sign. Now it's done. 6 divided by 2, answer is 3. 3 multiplied by x minus 2. Okay. This 6 is divided and we're going to multiply there. Or you can multiply this 2 inside. 2x minus 6. 2 3s are 6. This minus 3 multiplied by x minus 3x. This minus 3 multiplied by this minus 2. That makes plus 6 is equal to 6 multiplied by minus 1, answer is minus 6. Now this negative 6 cancel to this positive 6. 2x minus 3x. Answer is minus x is equal to minus 6. Now this minus will cancel this minus. So x is equal to only 6. And that's it. This was our second part. Now the third part is again, this is an equation because it contains equality sign and all the variable present here, power is 1. First of all, 1 over 2 wants to multiply inside and this 1 over 3 also. So multiply them. This must be 1 over 2 multiplied by x makes x over 2. Then 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 6 makes minus 1 over 12. 2 6 are 12. Plus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 6. This 1 over 3 again, want to multiply inside. So it must be 1 over 3 to the 6 and minus 3x over 3. This 3 will cancel to this 3. Now we need to shift all the variables on the left hand side and all the constant on the right hand side. This is negative x. This must be shift here. And these two values must be shift on the right hand side. So it becomes x over 2. And this negative x must be positive x. After that, 5 over 6 plus 1 over 6 is minus 1 over 12. Must be moved there. Plus 1 over 12. And this minus 2 over 3. Now take the LCM on the left hand side and on the right hand side. The left hand side LCM, beneath this x, nothing is present, so you can put the 1. 2 and 1 LCM is 2. Is equal to, on the right hand side, LCM of 6, 6, 12 and 3. The LCM is 6 or 12. LCM is 12. This 2 on the left hand side divided by this 2. Answer is 1. 1 multiplied by its numerator, 1x. Mean to say x. After that, positive sign. This 2 divided by this one, answer is 2. 2 multiplied by x, answer is 2x. Put the 2x here. Now it's 12. 12 divided by this 6. 2, 2 5s are 10. Plus, again 12 divided by this 6, answer is 2. 2 1s are 2. Again positive sign. This one. 12 divided by this 12, answer is 1. 1 multiplied by that 1, answer is 1. After that, negative sign. Okay, put negative sign there. This 12 divided by now this 3. 3 4s are 12. Then this 4 multiplied by this 2. 4 2s are 8. Now solve them. X plus 2x makes 3x divided by 2 is equal to, now 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 minus 8 makes 5. So it will become 5 divided by 8. Now you need to find only this value of x. So this 2 will multiply there and this 3 will divide here. So x is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 8 multiplied by 3. And now solve them. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. And x is equal to 5 divided by 12. And that's it. This was the third part. And now we will discuss about fourth part. Part 4 is x plus 1 over 3 is equal to 2 into x minus 2 over 3 minus 6x. Again, the same criteria of these questions, just to find the values of x. First of all, this is x plus 1 over 3. And this 2 wants to multiply inside. So 2x minus 2 2s are 4 over 3. After that, minus 6x. Collect all the values relevant to x on the left hand side. We have this 2x and this negative 6x will be here. It makes x minus 2x minus 6x will be positive 6x here. And this contains, because these two values moved there, this is minus 4 over 3. And this positive 1 over 3 will also move there. This is negative 1 by 3. Okay. Now, x minus 2x makes minus x plus 6x. 5x is equal to, LCM will be of this. 3 and 3 LCM is 3. Both are same, then you can write both the numerators. Minus 4, minus 1 as it is. So 5x is equal to minus 5 over 3. We need to find only this value of x. We can cancel directly this 5 to this x. X is equal to negative 1 on numerator, and on denominator that will be only 3. And that's it. This was our fourth part of this exercise. Okay. After that, fifth part. Fifth part is again like that. This 5 wants to multiply inside. So it becomes 5x minus 15 divided by 6. This is negative x. And this negative x over 9 must be moved here because we want to shift all the values relevant to x on the left hand side is equal to 1. Okay, these are all the values relevant to x. And now we can take the LCM of it. LCM of 6 and 9. You can take the LCM of 6 and 9. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So LCM must be 18 here. 18 divided by this 6. 6 3s are 18. So 3 multiplied by 5x minus 50. After that, 18 divided by this one, answer is 18. 18 multiplied by negative x makes minus 18x plus 18 divided by 9, 2x is equal to 1. Multiply this 3 inside. 15x minus 45, again minus 18x, and after that plus 2x divided by 18 is equal to 1. Now this makes minus plus 1 makes minus x minus 45 divided by 18 is equal to 1. This 18 must be multiplied to this one. So minus x minus 45 is equal to 18. This minus 45 will be positive there. So minus x is equal to 18 plus 45. 63. This is the value of negative x. We want to shift this negative x towards there. So x is equal to minus 63. And that's it. This was our fifth part. And now we will discuss about sixth part. The sixth part is x over 3x minus 6 is equal to 2 minus 2x over x minus 2. Now you can see that this is x. What is common here? 3x minus 6. Something is common. The common is 3 here. So take common 3. X minus 3 to the 6. After that, this is negative 2x over x minus 2. You need to shift here because these values are relevant to x. Plus 2x divided by x minus 2, and only 2 will be here. Now you need to take the LCM. What will be the LCM of 3x minus 2x minus 2? A repeated item must be appears once. First is 3, then x minus 2. This 3 into x minus 2 cancel this 3x minus 2. If both are cancelled, then numerator must be as it is here, plus x minus 2 cancel to this x minus 2, and 3 will be left here. 3 multiplied by 2x, 3 to the 6, 6x. Now x plus 6x, answer is 7x divided by 3 into x minus 2. Mean to say it is 3x minus 6 is equal to 2. Now this 3x minus 6 is divided, and we're going to multiply there. 2 into 3x minus 6. You can multiply this 2 inside. 2 3s are 6, 6x, and minus sign, then 2 6 are 12. This 6x must be moved on the left hand side. So 7x minus 6x is equal to minus 12. 7x minus 6x, answer is only x. So the value of x is minus 2. And that's it. This is the sixth part of exercise 7.1. These all questions are relevant to just only you need to find the value of x. Now, if you have any question regarding today's lecture or any previous lecture, you can ask it now, and thank you. मिस हो गया इनके माइक म्यूट कर दो क्वेश्चन आंसर जी स्टूडेंट्स अगर किसी का कोई सवाल है आप अपना माइक अनम्यूट करें और क्वेश्चन आप कर सकते हैं